Good morning, students. In this video, you are going to learn how to differentiate between the active voice and passive voice. Many of the students asked me how to identify whether the given sentence is in the active or passive. In the examination, you will be asked to change the other voice. So first of all, you have to identify whether the given sentence is in the active or passive. So how can we identify that? So it's so simple. So first of all, what you have to do is you can check whether the sentence has subject plus B plus V3. If you find subject plus B plus V3, it is known as passive voice. So B verbs here refers to such as am, is, are, was, were, will be, being, been. So these are all called as B form verbs. And after that you can find V3, that is a past participle. If you find subject plus B plus V3, it is called passive voice. If you do not find subject plus B plus V3, it is active voice. Once you have identified whether the given sentence is given in the active or passive, then it would be very easy for you to change into either active or passive, because in the examination you are asked to change to other voice, because you have to identify what voice it is, whether it is active or passive. This is the most important thing. Some of my students asked me how to identify it. Now I have explained it. You must remember this structure, subject plus B plus V3. So here B form verb is very, very important. In case of active voice, you cannot find that B form verb. And you will not find V3, that is a past participle. Once you have identified whether it is active or passive, then you will have to change into either the active or passive. If the sentence is in the active, you will have to change into passive. If the sentence is in the passive, you should change into active. This is a very important thing. But in the question paper, that particular voice is not specified. You will not be asked to change into active or passive. They will simply ask you to change the other voice. So you have to identify it. You should be able to identify whether the given sentence is in the active or passive. You can follow that structure which I have just given you. With the help of this, you can identify. Once you have identified this, thereafter there are several rules how to change from active to passive and vice versa. And I am going to teach you all those things in my next video. I hope that this video is going to be very useful for you. And thank you for watching my video.